Don't get too close to this witch. You'll get the worms.
I just want it to stop. Why won't it stop?
It will not stop.
No, I hate it.
Never be ashamed of what you are.
Leave me alone! They don't call you demon.
I'm the girl the other children won't play with, not you.
If she lives, we're all in danger. She is marked by the dark gods.
Reach out to them. Call them with your thoughts.
I'm not gonna give her. I'm not gonna stop her.
Try again,
It's just a sword, Nimue. Is it worth your life?
Take this to Merlin.
Yes, it is.
I'm relieved to see you safe and well.
Thanks to you. I want the Wolf-Blood Witch. You want me to be some kind of monster.
We can't run from our true nature.
You are cursed. It's in your blood, child.
So let's give it to them.
I will be your shield. By the gods, I will be your sword.
You defied me.
I am the Wolf-Blood Witch, and I will slaughter every red brother from here to Rome if I must.
You are in no position.
Oh no, I am. Claim it as the sword of the first queen.